Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start at theorem 12.3c, in which the statement says the angle in a segment less than semicircle is greater than right angle. So in the previous theorem, we have studied that the angle subtended by semicircular region is always equals to 90 degree. Now in this theorem, we have to prove that the angle subtended by the region less than a semicircle is always greater than 90 degrees. Now coming towards the figure, you can see that this region EACDBF is a semicircular region, and the region less than semicircle is as ACDB, and the angle subtended by this region is as ADB, and we have to prove that this angle is greater than 90 degrees. So coming towards the given statement, a circle with center O, AB is a chord above the diameter, EF is a diameter, thus the arc ACDB if less than the semicircular region. What we have to prove is angle ADB must be greater than 90 degrees. In the construction, we have to join D to E and F such that angle EDF is in the semicircle. Now coming towards the proof, first statement, you can see that measurement of angle EDF is equal to 90 degrees. We know that because we have proved this theorem earlier that angle subtended by semicircular region is always equals to 90 degrees. Now we have to prove the value of ADB, so we can write ADB as the sum of three angles, because you can see in the figure that angle ADB is further subdivided into three angles, which is ADE, EDF and FDB. So putting the value of ADB as the sum of these three angles, and then in the next statement we know that EDF is equals to 90 degrees. We know that because we have proved it earlier. So putting the value of EDF as 90 degrees, so we have come to the conclusion that ADB angle is must be greater than 90 degrees. Now why is it so? Because 90 degrees is being added to some of the other angles, the two angles, and then being equal to ADB. That means ADB must be greater than 90 degrees. So here we have proved that the circular region less than semicircle must must subtend an angle which is greater than 90 degrees. So here is all about this theorem. I hope you have got it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.